Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fit and fine. Are you enjoying your online classes? Yes. So concentrate on your studies and enjoy it. So till now we have completed up to lesson number 5. Our last chapter was before the match. Now today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Saving the Sparrow. Chapter 6, Saving the Sparrow. Children, have you seen sparrow? Nowadays there are very less sparrows, but we mostly see it around our houses, on electric wires, then on our fields, our gardens. So children, as we see the title of the chapter, Saving the Sparrow, what it means, what questions arises in your mind? That what is a sparrow? Yes. Other question, who is saving the sparrow? Where he is saving the sparrow? How he is saving the sparrow? All these questions are arising in your mind. So it is a very interesting story. We'll enjoy and we will study this half of the story today. So now let me give you some idea about the story.
Hiralal often looked at the power line that ran across his village and saw the sparrow that sat on it.
Children, do you know how the electricity is coming in your house? It is coming from the wires, from the power station. From the power station it is transferred on the pole. Have you seen the pole outside your house where wires are connected?
One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he saw one of the sparrow was trapped in the power line, and it was desperately flapping its wings. Now Hiralal was worried. He went to school, and while returning from school, he saw still the sparrow was trapped. Now he went to his parent. He told his mother about the sparrow, and then he got an idea. He took his cycle and went to the power station. Hiralal told Ram Bharose, the maintenance man, about the sparrow. Now Ram Bharose took Hiralal to the supervisor.
So let's read the story and understand it more better.
Hiralal looked at the power line that ran across his village. His father had once told him that the line brought electricity to their homes. Quite often, Hiralal thought about following the power line to see where it went. He imagined the places he would see and the people he would meet. So, Hiralal often see the power lines, the wires going from one place to another, and he thought of going along the power line and see how and where from it is coming. So he was thinking. Most evenings sparrows came to rest on the power line. They looked beautiful, like little glass beads on a necklace. See here in the picture, this is a pole and these are the wires, and the sparrows are sitting and moving around the wire. Here one bird is trapped in the electric wire. So here these birds are looking like beads, like stones on the necklace. Seeing the birds, He wished he were one of them, so he could fly to strange lands. So he was thinking, if he may be a bird, he can fly from here and there, and he can go to any places, to strange places also. One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he heard the loud twittering of the sparrows. Twittering of the sparrows means the sound what they are making, how they are chirping, we can say. So while going to school, he heard the loud noise. Something was not right. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. He saw a sparrow is trapped in the power line. It was hanging there, head down. The sparrow its head was down, and the leg was trapped in the power line, wire, desperately flapping its wing. Desperately flapping means continuously moving its wing up and down to free itself. But he did not know how he could help. Now Hiralal was too small. He do not know how to help it out. So Hiralal rode off to school. He went to school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. He was thinking someone will come and help the sparrow. When he came back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still trapped. While he was returning back from the school, he saw the sparrow was still there, trapped in the wire line. Its wings were spread. But they were not moving. Wings were not moving. Hiralal began to worry. He was very worried. What if it died? Hiralal was thinking, what will happen if it will die? He noticed that other sparrows were flying around the trapped bird, trying to help it. He was thinking, he saw that other birds were trying to help it, trying to save the sparrow. Hiralal ran into the house. Mama, help me. Pa, quick, come quickly. Who is saying? Hiralal is saying to his parents. His parents rushed to his side. Now they also rushed out. What happened? They asked, worried. He told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. Now Hiralal was about to cry. He started requesting them to find something to help the sparrow. But the power line is very high. His father pointed out, how are we going to reach it? The power line was too high. His father said, how we are going to reach it? His mother pursued her lips and said, Mother also said, it's too dangerous. I would not let either of you go near the wire because the wire is very dangerous. Electric current is always flowing. So mother was also worried. So she was saying that it is too dangerous. Hiralal was sobbing. Hiralal was about to cry. His parents tried to comfort him. His parents were consoling him. But there seemed to be little they could do. But still, Hiralal was too much worried. Hiralal knew the bird would not live much longer. Now he was thinking that the bird will die. It will not live longer. The thought did not allow him to rest. Hiralal felt restless. He was too much worried. But slowly, an idea began to take shape in his head. Now he was thinking and he got an idea. Soon after, Hiralal cycled to the power station near his village. Now, Hiralal went to power station on his cycle. When Ram Bharosi, the maintenance man, saw this young boy waving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Hiralal told about the sparrow. Now Hiralal went to the power station on his cycle where Ram Bharosi, the maintenance man, was locking the gate. When he saw a young boy calling him, he opened the gate. Then Hiralal told the whole story about the sparrow. Could you please switch off the power line for a little while? He asked. Hiralal asked Ram Bharosi to switch off the power line. So here children, you can underline these sentences also. Ram Bharosi scratched his head. Scratched his head means he thought. Meanwhile, he stopped and he think about that what he can do. Then he said, let's see, maybe the supervisor can help. Now this Ram Bharosi, he took Hiralal to the supervisor. He took Hiralal to a kind old man who was sitting at a desk. Hiralal was tired and frightened. Why Hiralal was tired and frightened? Because from the morning he saw that sparrow was trapped and it was now the evening time. He was tired and afraid. With tears in his eyes, he said, a sparrow is going to die because its foot is caught in the power line. Who said? Hiralal said to the old man, to the supervisor. If you can switch off the power line, we can take the bird down. So Hiralal requested the supervisor to switch off the power line. Please, you must listen to me. Now Hiralal pleaded the supervisor to switch off the power line to save the sparrow. So now dear children, I hope you have enjoyed the story. Further story we will read out in our next video. But you can try to read the complete story. Now we will see some new words which I had come across while reading the paragraph. First word is power line. What power line means? Two or more wires carrying electric current from one location to another. Here in this story, Hiralal saw the bird trapped in the power line. In every house, the electricity is coming from these power lines, from these wires. Next word is twittering. Twittering is a sound made by the birds. Here which bird we are studying about? We are studying about sparrow. Power station. Our third word is power station. What is power station? Power station is
A place where the power is produced and then it is sent from one location to another. Desperately flapping. Desperately flapping means continuously moving its wings up and down. Here, what is desperately flapping? The sparrow which is trapped on the power line, and it is continuously flapping its wings to free itself from the wire. Maintenance man. Maintenance man is a person who can maintain and repair things. So here in this story, Hiralal went to maintenance man to stop the power line, to stop the current, and so that the sparrow can be freed from the electric wire. So now, dear student, I hope you have enjoyed this part of the story, and read the story once again, learn these new words and their meaning, and be kind to the animals. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.